Hey guys, today is April the 16th, 2021. Wanted to go over gold, GLD, or gold futures. Using WEN price and time technical analysis. As you can see, we got a little breakout. There's two key trend lines you want to keep an eye on. Is these two right here. As you can see from here, we broke out. It's kind of battling out. And you have this one right here. It's going to be interesting once if we get up there. There's a lot of chop that's going to happen between here and then. Let's go into our monthly Gan Waves. This is just a quick little update where we at and what was my idea behind going long gold. And, back testing Gan's theory, see what works, what doesn't work. As you can see on Gan Waves on the monthly chart, let's go over it again. 3 waves down, 4 equals 7, 3 plus 4, 7. Reaction point, our reaction point is very active. It's exploding to the upside. So from here, we have 3 waves out into June, which kind of makes me think, since a lot of cycles are pointing lower June and July, like in the equity markets and some other sectors I've been noticing. What about if I throw this at you? What about the perfect scenario is that things will be selling off, everybody be piling into gold, we go up all the way into June, maybe July, somewhere around there, and then maybe go sideways or pull down again. What about that? Because everything is like kind of looking like that. We have our reaction point here. We're starting our 3 months in. June, July are bearish, and a lot of things I've been seeing in regards to cycles. So just throwing it out there, see what you think. But I'm in gold. I'm not in futures yet. I bought some Yamana Gold, AUY ticker symbol, got it at 450, and it's been choppy. Let's see, I want to show you some other things here. This is the gold futures. This is the daily chart. This is I use this as my simple weekly forecast. Price action's in the cloud, so it's going to get volatile and wild. It's going to be crazy swings. That's what they say when price action gets into the cloud. As you can see, this is a strong level on gold. 1776. Pierced right through it, and it's just kind of hovering around there right now as we speak. Got a buy signal. Got above the 50. You see some trend lines here. And this is the point of control was 1729. Value area low was 1684, and the value area high is 1911. 911. Interesting. So that's where we at on the weekly, on the daily. It looks like the cloud now is starting to focus, possibly next couple of weeks, maybe start turning bullish. This is the weekly chart, and you can see that this was resistance. Strong resistance, like a 50% level. If you put the Fibonacci, 1766, we broke right through it. Got a PPS buy signal, still in the Mobo band, and the value point of control is 1803. So I'm assuming that's probably where we're going to be heading. It looks like we want to maybe kiss that 20, and then you got the 50 right here, which is 1835. But we'll take it one step at a time. It's going to get wild, it's going to get crazy and choppy because we're in both clouds. And you can see that the future wasn't looking too good. Monthly, let's see, monthly, as we know with the GAN, we're in the reaction area now. In the monthly, we were chopping around the 20, 50s here below. So long term, the trend is up, even though on the daily, it was a little choppy and it had a decent correction. But the big picture, prices are going higher. It's normal for a pullback. Held at 20, which is good. It's healthy. At least it didn't go all the way to the 50, at least 1470. Now we're pushing up. And looks like there's some kind of support here, 1765. But we got a long way to go, and we got this trend line that we got to fight the battle. So those are my thoughts on gold. I'm going to hold on to it and see what happens. But I'm bullish. Gan stuff that I did on calculations said that this was probably the best time to get in. And so far as showing price action is confirming that. I'm going to sign out. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, like button, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on gold using the Gan price and time technical analysis.